Bro, it's your boy B-Mace coming to you again. Last few nights at the hotel. Like I said, I'm about to bounce to Cali, you know what I'm saying? Well, I'm still in D-Town right now, you know what I'm saying? But I am actually about to bounce to Cali for the last fucking time. I ain't gonna tell y'all again. Hey, JJ coming with me, what's up? I ain't even gonna fucking give y'all a speech. Check this shit out. This is what we do, and this is both of us in the freaking freestyle hotel room. What's up, nigga? Let's go. Turn that bitch up. Turn that bitch up. What I do, nigga. I'm looking at myself right now. I got a motherfucker. Check this out. Got my big ass screen, you know what I'm saying? I'm watching myself through there, ready? One time I'ma bring it to you. Yeah, y'all don't even know. Come and bring it to you. Yeah, well, it's B-Mace coming at your door. Knock 'em one by one or maybe 2 by 4. A nigga looking at me and I'm going slow mode. And I'm going fast, nigga, so you call me fast mode. Nigga, I'ma go all the way to the market. Looking at me, yeah, bitch, I'ma shoot and you gon' be my target. I ain't fucking tripping, bitch. Y'all niggas is fucking gripping, bitch. I come around and motherfuckers, y'all niggas is sipping fish. I'm a fucking licorice, bitch ass like Twizzler. Come up on this bitch, I flow faster than a nigga Twister. Twister hit the bitch and I'ma cut his ass like scissors. Them bitches fuck around, I fuck them mothers and them sisters. Niggas telling me that I be tripping when I'm spitting. Every nigga know that I'm just trading. I'm wood grain gripping and them niggas looking at me. I make them bitches happy. They gon' try to snap at me and I call them snappy. Happy like a meal from motherfucking McDonald's. But I get them niggas up cause you know I ain't like Donald motherfucking Trump. Like I'm playing the motherfucking trumpet. Peep on this bitch and I ain't gonna throw them hundreds. I'ma fucking keep them all up in my pocket. And if you know you gon' talk shit, I'ma fucking sock it in your motherfucking mouth. Bitch, you know I'm from the south. Call it fucking Texas, and now I'm D-Town. Hey, I got my nigga JJ, and he about to come up in the motherfucking video and kill it every day. Here we go now. Hey, I'm wrecking to the motherfucking chill. I'm just kidding with my motherfucking bro. I'm just kidding. Let me rate for a second. I don't give a fuck cause I'm real fake for a second. If you like it, you get fucking thinking. I'm just fucking killing, you must be thinking I'm just motherfucking none that I can't fucking do it when it's on. What's up? I'ma go again, y'all don't even know. I'ma come on and I'ma go repeat the flow. But he wanna get it while I'm gonna build it up. Niggas looking like I got a fucking sipping cup. Hey, wants to get higher, what are you fucking talking about? This is going on Facebook, man, and my mama's gonna see it, man. What the fuck, dog? Dude, I wanna be in the first video.